Alrighty, this is going to be our example of a test subject. Blue Boy volunteered. Look how dirty his hiney is. This is dirt. He did not have a horrible accident. Doesn't it look awful? So if your little doodle gets into all this, I want to show you what you can expect whenever, look at those paws. I've seen worse. I've actually seen quite worse. But when they sit out in the mud and we had our good little running time, it's real important for you to see that she's not cleaning him, okay? She's really not cleaning him. She'll clean up some poo-poo and the nasty crap in there, but see how dirty his feet are? Hind end. He's just hanging in here to be content with his mom, but you'll see in a couple of hours we'll film again. And this will be it'll have a follow-up in a minute, how he'll look, but I just want you to see how easy care and maintenance these doodles are. Right now you see how his rear end is absolutely covered in mud and nastiness, and he had a good time, but what will happen is it'll all fall right here in their little pen, and this is our indoor area for the pups, and he's our little test subject, and this is our precious little Blue. Oh, he's tough. He's the most personal, wonderful, warm baby dog. Oh, we love Blue. Stays right by your side. Be an excellent dog for a contractor because he likes to work. He's so funny. He learned yesterday, be careful not to walk in concrete, and hung out with our worker, our help on the outside who's doing wiring and all that. And oh, you're precious, aren't you, Angel? He's absolutely amazing, warm, friendly, but a steady, faithful, calm at not just 5 weeks of age. Incredible. All right, you stay in there, buddy. Be happy with your mom and don't give him any squealing and crying, okay? Because we're going to test this out and see how you look, and maybe it'll take an hour, hour and a half. It all depends on how dry it is. Alrighty.